CORENDON Airlines is a small Turkish-based low-cost holiday carrier who operate flights throughout Europe with a fleet of just 15 aircraft. They score just 2.4 stars on TripAdvisor and have some pretty horrific reviews regarding their on-time performance, customer service, and ridiculous add-on prices. But what are they really like? Well, in this video, I'll be flying CORENDON from Manchester to Dalaman to put their service to the test on this high-demand route with plenty of competition to see how they compare to other airlines such as Jet2, EasyJet, and Sun Express. So welcome to Mac Aviation, and let's go flying. So hello and welcome to what is, in my opinion, the worst terminal in the UK, Manchester T1. I eventually found my way through the endless network of corridors to the departure lounge. Here, you'll find a large variety of shops and restaurants to cope with the endless demand. But after not too long of walking around and spotting some of the movements on the apron, I headed to the Thomas Cook Pier as my aircraft arrived from Dalaman, which was caught by AIRLINES live during their Sunday stream. That aircraft is Tango Charlie - Tango Juliet uniform, a 16.5-year-old Boeing 737-800, which after being rejected by Delta, started its life with Skymarks in Japan, before joining CORENDON in 2016. So we soon boarded on time to get on our way to Dalaman. Welcome on board. I found my seat right at the back, 28F, and got ready for departure from runway 23 left.
Dear children, on behalf of your trip operator, Captain Shutter, Ladies and gentlemen, before we depart, we would like to give you some safety information.
So at this point, I was told by the crew to stop filming, as CORENDON have a strict no phones policy during takeoff and landing, so I just had to be slightly more discreet from here. Anyway, enjoy the departure. So, after a delayed departure from runway 23 left, we turned south heading for London, before banking slightly east towards Turkey, flying over France, Austria, Italy and Greece, before descending into Dalaman as we flew over Izmir. Today's flight time was 3 hours and 48 minutes, cruising at 37 and 41,000 feet. Not long after departure, I was served my pre-ordered 3-course beef kofta meal. I was really pleasantly surprised by the quality and flavour of all of the food, and as there's a limited selection on board, I would recommend that you pre-order a meal yourself. One important thing to note, however, is that CORENDON actually charge extra for cash payments on a lot of the food and drink they sell, which I've never heard of before. Like most low-cost airlines, don't be tricked by their low fares. Add-ons come at a cost. The cheapest seat selection is £15 per person, and the cost of adding extra baggage is extortionate. I get this as a low-cost airline, but charging this much for an extra bag should be illegal. Even Ryanair is cheaper than this. In terms of space, on the 737 I was on today, you'll have a 30-inch seat pitch but no recline. The seats were pretty slim and uncomfortable, though I think these were left from when this aircraft was owned by Skymarks. But overall, the legroom is comfortable enough for this 4-hour flight. Relatively uneventful flight, enjoy some of the incredible views of the Arabian sunset as we begin our descent into Dalaman to land on runway 19. Welcome to Dalaman. So overall, what do I think of Corendon? Well, aside from the questionable pre-recorded announcements, similar to Ryanair, they provided nothing more than a basic service. While on the contrary, they charge significantly more for booking extras than your average UK low-cost carrier. My meal was good, the seat was comfortable enough, and I found the crew to be attentive throughout the flight. It's tough to say whether I'd fly Corendon again, but I certainly have nothing bad to say about them. I just think that for the total price of the fare, after you've added some extras, it might be worth considering Jet2, EasyJet or Sun Express, who all serve this same route, for a more comfortable ride and sometimes even costing less. Anyway, thanks for watching to the end of the video. If you enjoyed, then please consider leaving a like and subscribing down below. I've got plenty more reviews to come, so you don't want to miss out. But until next time, thanks again, take care, and happy flying.